How to add banner image to individual blog posts in Squarespace. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to add a banner to your blog post in Squarespace. So we're going to head over to squarespace.com and we're going to head over the account dashboard. Now we're going to select the website that contains at least the blog. And we are going to be on the blog by clicking on website, select from these items pages, click on blog, and here you go. Now, as you can see, the blog is going to open up all the blogs together, and each one of the blog posts is going to have an image or let's name it a banner. And also you can go ahead and visualize it from here. If I click on a post or a blog post, it is going to enter the blog directly or the post directly. But if I click on the three dots, which is going to be leading us to the settings, we can go ahead and set up the featured image or the banner image. I'm going to remove this image, add another image. For example, I'm going to add this. And you're going to see that it is going to upload and process the image in the same time, and it is going to be here like that. I'm going to save the changes and it is going to be something like that. When you enter here, you're going to find that the first one or the blog post banner has been changed. So that was pretty much it for today's video. Now I'm going to move on for the other, let's say, blog post and show you that it is going to be the same process. So we are going to click on the blog first. I'm going to be at here. So please be back like that. Click on more settings, featured image, remove it, add another image, for example, like that. It is going to be optimal for you to have an image that is going to be a landscape image, not a portrait, because the portrait is not going to be, let's say, that adaptive. So that was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and I hope to see you soon on the next one.